I just finished working out and I'm starving.
We are first going to perform a few tests just to see your fitness level and where you're at.
I'm sorry, okay?
All right, let's go.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, baby.
It's gonna be pretty lightweight.
Looking all pretty. She said we should have our cheat meal. She said I did. I'm just kidding, I did. last one before we get her on her set meal. Yeah, it was fun. So we're gonna be fat in front of you guys. We're gonna eat in front of you guys, and we're gonna talk about all the stuff that we have in our head. Girl, that watermelon freeze looks so good. Like on the sandia smoothie. Right on the top way, you know what I'm saying? Like the seeds and stuff. We can dry them out and then eat them. Look at you, ready for the chola videos. Oh my gosh. Oh, you don't even know, cuz. You know what I'm talking about? Like clara and tinidor and porpan and, you know what I'm saying? Mikas, little chinita gordita. So we are gonna prep you up for your first show. So I guess we could call this prep. So it doesn't matter if it's gonna take us 6 months to get to your goal or a whole year. Yeah. We're gonna call it prep still. And then I'm gonna go on prep officially in 2 weeks. So I'm just eating and enjoying life and just. Oh no. You fat. I'm trying to go ham. This is like the last hurrah. I can't see. That's why. What's the one on the bottom? Dude, you're hella brown. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we brown. We're the same color. In the summer. We sisters, but I'm ashy. Yo, I'm ashy too. It's this weather in Vegas. Oh my gosh, I have to do my nails. Gosh, I get your nails. Don't look at my nails, guys. Don't look at my nails. They look so pretty. Where'd you get them? Nailed and lash. Nailed and lash. Is that here, Mikas? Yeah, all here in Vegas. Mention my name for a discount. For real? No, for real. Okay, I need that discount. For real, nerds.
Okay, so we got the.
I don't even remember. I'm like,
I ordered. So we got here the grande nacho sauce with chicken, and then yes, lots of fire. And then the chalupa box. So I think it has a chalupa, a regular taco, with churros. Yeah. That's dessert, and then there's that beef cheesy burrito with the cheese. See, I know this box already because I've been at plenty of times. Then we got Mexican pizza for sure. You know how fitness people love pizza.
yeah, or not fitness people.
Or Mexican pizza, and then nachos, of
I don't
course.
think I've ever had these nachos.
I haven't either. I think it's a new addition.
For real? Damn. My man.
Oh, and then we got
the sandia.
sandia thing with little candy inside.
It's really good. I want to let everybody know on my channel that, like I said earlier, like I had the baby, and you know, after having 2 kids now, like my body has changed so much, and you know, I just didn't want to like not do anything about my body and just like let go, because I can eat and I don't want to keep like eating bad all the time. So, you know, my friend Mika, like I said before, she's been doing like competitions, and you know, even though we haven't like talked in a long time or hung out ever since like we worked together back in the day, I don't think we ever hanged out actually ever. We just worked together.
Just at work.
And we just like kept in touch just by like social media. Like we kind of like knew each other's live what we were doing, but never really hung out until now.
Thank God for social media.
For reals. And I hit her up and I was like, you know what, like I know I do my Herbalife stuff, but I want somebody to guide me with workouts, because I have like no idea, like I could get in a machine, I'll probably do it wrong, like I'll be one of those people, you know, like do it backwards or flip around or something.
Or fall off of it.
So,
and then hurt yourself even more, and then you can't work out. That would be sad.
Yeah, so I was like, let's start, you know. And this is actually like her apartment, like gym, which is really nice in here. Like I went to so many. Yeah, it's really modern over here. I'm not gonna tell you where it is because you guys are gonna stalk her.
Oh God.
That's Mikalicious. But yeah, this is you know, our last cheat meal. She's allowing me to eat whatever I wanted before I started my meal plan.
Yeah.
So like, you know what? I want on Taco Bell, so that's why we're eating Taco Bell. It was really good because I haven't eaten in the morning. Yeah, but I really wanted you guys to be a part of like what I'm about to do for myself with this journey. You know, you guys are gonna see my friend Mika in a lot of my videos because I want to do like a weekly like check-in. So every week I'm gonna do like, hey, you guys, I lost this much, or this is how this week went for me. So I can document it for myself, for you guys, and also to motivate whoever's out there that wants to lose weight. I know it sounds crazy. I feel so bad talking about it because I'm eating so bad right now.
And I'm not over here like not talking at all, just eating. But like, let me just finish this.
There, you can go ahead and eat.
This video is being sponsored by Cumbor Auto Close Safety Baby Gate. All you have to do is start with a measurement of where you want to put your gate. It comes with extensions on both sides in case your wall is a little bit wider than usual, just like mine. You just pop them in there. It also comes with 4 bolts that you are going to put on the sides. It's optional to put these little gums on the wall in case you want more protection, but it's really good with that. I didn't need them. So all you gotta do is put the bolts on all 4 edges, bring up the cage, and screw it in tight to make sure it's securely there. That way your kids or your husband or your dogs or whoever visits you don't break the gate. Or your kids are going to try to open the gate just like mine is. This little gate, which is meant for your small pets like a little cat or a little dog like her. She has no clue how to use her common sense. She really wants to go see me, but she doesn't know how to. But for me, I put this gate because it helps my dogs not go upstairs and poop in my rooms. So do I recommend this gate? Absolutely, if you have kids or pets or both.
Alright, let's go.
Oh my God.
Like, oh yeah, you have a baby, cool. No excuses. Bend over. Bend over, girl. Bend over. Alright, tuck those elbows in. Yep. And out. Oh, make sure that this arm isn't moving. So tuck that in and then just move this. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, good. There we go. Nice. Yep. Burns. Got that game face on.